What's up everyone, welcome to Fall Friday Nights 2020. Today we're going to show you guys how to change the tire. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is locate the spare tire and the car jack located inside the trunk. Next we're going to loosen up the bolts just a little bit. Then you want to find a good base to set the car jack. Once you position the car jack under the base, you can start twisting the car jack so it can lift up. Eventually you are going to need a crank in order to lift up the car jack. Once the tire is lifted off the floor, you can now take off the rest of the lug nuts. Once you remove all the lug nuts, it's best to keep them in a safe spot. Once you remove all the lug nuts, you're ready to take out the tire. Once you're ready to put on the spare tire, you gotta make sure you're putting the proper side facing outward. Now you line up the bolts with the holes and you lift up and put in place. Next step, you put your foot on the bottom end of the tire and your hand on top for extra support, and you put in the bolts. So now you want to tighten the lug nuts with your hand. Now you're going to lower the car jack by spinning counterclockwise. So now we're going to tighten the bolts using a lug nut wrench. Remember, it's important to go in a star pattern. You never know when you are going to get a flat tire or when your tire is going to pop, so it's important to know how to change the tire. I hope this video helps.